Now let us do conditions for solubility or consistency. Now we all know that the graph of linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. Now here we are given two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, where a1 and b1 should not be equal to 0. Next equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a2 and b2 should not be equal to 0. Now given two equations, we will get two lines. Now given a plane and two lines, there are three possibilities. The first possibility is that two lines may intersect each other. Now here how many points do we see in common? We see only one point that is common to both the lines. Hence in this case there is only one solution. Second possibility, that the lines could coincide with each other. How many points are there here in common? There are infinite number of points. Hence here we will have infinite number of solutions. Now the third possibility is that both the lines could be parallel to each other. How many points are common here? There is no point common, so there is no solution in the third case. Let us take all the three cases one by one. The first case, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Here what's a1? Coefficient of x in the first equation. a2 is coefficient of x in the second equation. Same way b1 and b2 are coefficients of y. Then what do you get? You will get lines that are intersecting each other. Now in this case, the pair of the linear equation is consistent as it has got a solution. And both the graphs, as you see, will intersect at a unique point, so it has a unique solution. Thus we see, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the pair of linear equation is consistent. The graph will be pair of lines intersecting at a unique point, therefore it will have unique solution. In the second case, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here we get two lines that are coinciding with each other. As you can see, it has got infinite number of solutions. And since this has got solution, the linear equations are consistent. In the second case, we see if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the pair of linear equation is dependent and consistent. The graph will be a pair of coincident lines. And how many solutions will have? It will have infinitely many solutions. In the third case, we have got a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Then what we have got? We have got a pair of parallel lines. Since there is no point in common, therefore it has no solution. And since this has no solution, the equation is called as inconsistent equation. Thus in the third case we see if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 which is not equal to c1 by c2, then the pair of linear equation is inconsistent as it has no solution. The graph will be a pair of parallel lines, and parallel lines have no point in common, therefore no solution. Now let us do exercise 3.2, the second question. On comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point or are parallel or coincident. In this, let us take the first pair of equation, that is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Second equation is given as 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. First we have to check whether equations are written in standard form, that is we get everything to one side and equate it to 0. Now here, what is a1 here? a1 is 5, b1 is minus 4 and c1 is equal to 8. Same way we get here a2 is equal to 7, B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to minus 9. What is A1 and A2? The coefficient of X, B1 and B2 are coefficient of Y, and C1 and C2 are the constant term. So now let us check what we get here, A1 by A2. A1 by A2 will be equal to 5 by 7. We get here B1 by B2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. This will reduce to minus 2 by 3. Now as you can see here, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Since they both are not equal, what do we get? We get the lines intersect at the point. We will write here pair of lines, the pair of lines intersect at a point. Second question is this: 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Okay, here A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 3 and C1 equal to 12. Same way we have got here A2 is equal to 18, B2 is equal to 6 and C2 is equal to 24. What's the first thing that you have to check? Whether the equations are written in standard form. A1 by A2 is equal to 9 by 18, that is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 3 by 6, that is also 1 by 2. Here we see A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, so we will check even C1 by C2, that is equal to 12 by 24. It once again gives us 1 by 2. What do we get here? Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. What do we get here? The pair of lines are coincident. Now the third question here is, the first equation is 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Both the equations are written in standard form. A1 is equal to 6, B1 is equal to minus 3 and C1 is equal to 10. A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 1 and C2 is equal to 9. So we got here A1 by A2 is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. B1 by B2 minus 3 by minus 1, that once again gives us 3. We see here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, so we will check even C1 by C2, that is equal to 10 by 9. So what do we get here? Therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, what we get here? Pair of lines, the pair of lines are parallel. Let us do the third question. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If the following pair of linear equation has solution, we call it consistent equation. And if it has no solution, it is called inconsistent equation. Let us take the first question in this. The equation is given to us 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. First let us write it in standard form. 3x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, and here we get 2x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Now here A1 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to 2 and C1 is equal to minus 5. We have got here A2 is equal to 2, B2 is equal to minus 3 and C2 is equal to minus 7. So first let us find what is a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2. b1 by b2, we have 2 divided by minus 3. Now as you see, both are not equal, that is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So in this case, the line representing the linear equation will intersect each other at a unique point, so it has a unique solution. It will have unique solution therefore the pair of linear equation is consistent. Now this is the second question in it. Equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Let us write this in standard form. Here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 8. Same way we have got a2 is equal to 4, b2 is equal to minus 6 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Let's check what is a1 by a2. We get here 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 6, that also gives us 1 by 2. Since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, we will check even c1 by c2. That is minus 8 by minus 9, that will give us 8 by 9. Therefore, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. Now this is parallel line, therefore it will have no solution. Hence the linear equation are inconsistent as it has no solution. Now let us do the fourth question. 5x minus 3y is equal to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Let us write this in standard form. You will get here 5x minus 3y minus 11 equal to 0, and here you will get minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 equal to 0. a1 is equal to 5, b1 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to minus 11. a2 is equal to minus 10, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to 22. Now let us check a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by minus 10, that will give me minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by 6, that also will give me minus 1 by 2. Since both are equal, we will check c1 by c2. It is minus 11 by 22. Once again we get here minus 1 by 2. Therefore, we see a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. The lines are coincident lines, therefore it will have infinite solution. It will have infinite solutions. Since it is solution, we say pair of linear equations, the given linear equations Here it is coincident line, so we say pair of linear equations are dependent and consistent. Are dependent and consistent.